Welcome at Probot, welcome at the Interpark at our booth. My name is Roy Smith and I'd like to show you around of the exciting things we have here at Display. Today in this session I will talk to you about a coffee grinder, and with me is Julian Jansen. Julian, welcome. Can you tell us a little bit more about what are we looking at?
Yes, we are looking at our latest new coffee grinder, new edition. It's the GT series, available in GT 300 and 600. And the exciting new thing about it is a one-drive design, which is now like technically more simple, but we listened to customer and we wanted to bring them simplicity and ease of use.
Yeah, so the maintenance manager will be really happy with you.
Yeah. Probably.
Can you explain a little bit to me about how this works, what the principle is of working of a coffee grinder?
Yes, it's a roller grinder.
Okay.
It's two rolls working in parallel to force the coffee through a small gap. This is how we grind down the coffee step by step. It's 3 passage steps.
Let's show me on the inside, because that's interesting.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay.
Okay.
So here you can see actually the lower 2 rolls and the roll up top is covered in a guiding sheet of metal. You have the active gap adjustment you see on the lower part, which is a trickle down innovation from our bigger series, the UW series. This is mainly geared at like smaller productions. They are very focused on having the best price to performance ratio, and for capsules all the way to filter grinding, this is the best machine on the market.
So you use the technology and all the fun stuff from the big machine and you bring it into a smaller machine. What kind of capacities are we talking about?
Yeah, we're talking about on a machine like this, you see it's quite small but packs a lot of punch. It's 450 kgs per hour of espresso grinds and goes all the way up to 1000 kgs of filter grind.
So you have an optimal control of fineness, you have ease of maintenance because of a more simple design, and you listen to customers, and you still have a 1000 kilo per hour throughput for a normal coffee.
That's right.
But that's really quite impressive. And you control the flavor, of course. If you control the grind, you control the flavor. Yeah,
inside all the rollers are water cooling, so we keep everything nice and cool to keep the flavor inside the...
So even though it's at the end of the line, it's still a value machine to make sure that the flavor is there. Well, I'm really excited. If you want to know more about this coffee grinder, check out our website, probot.com, or reach out to your local contact. Thank you, Julian, for showing me this, and then we'll see you at the next machine. Thank you.